We're detonating the Alpha warheads in T-minus 90 seconds. All personnel are advised to board the nearest helicopter or enter the nearest blast shelter immediately.
You look like foxes, right?
What? No,
N.
Uzi, there, might be some stuff down here that you don't want to see.
Oh, what the hell is going on?
Nothing! We don't know everything yet, but we're not gonna hurt you, okay?
Hurt me?
The site is experiencing multiple KETER and EUCLID. The site is experiencing multiple KETER and EUCLID.
Alpha Warhead emergency detonation sequence engaged. The underground section of the facility will be detonated in T-minus 120 seconds.
We're detonating the Alpha warheads in T-minus 90 seconds. All personnel are advised to board the nearest helicopter or enter the nearest blast
Uzi! Uzi! I deserve this.
We're detonating the Alpha warheads in T-minus 90 seconds. All personnel are advised to board the nearest helicopter or enter the nearest blast shelter.
You, N.
Thank you, Mind Chef! Trauma Ghost, and here you find them there!
You know, you're one of the main reasons I wanted your team to retain your personalities. You always surprised me. Loved doing anything. for clearing the way on this planet too. Let's eat.
Shortly to assist the nine-tailed fox. We advise all personnel to find a safe area where your closest electromagnet lifted evacuation shelter. Once the facility is secure, we will start evacuations in an orderly manner via the queue number you see above the blast doors.
Sin after her own murder pet. You stupid or something?
Oh yeah.
Well, by me then. Try. Hey, you look familiar. Watch the road. You got wings. Focus. Left. Think you could get this across the surface? We're looking for a hunk named Khan.
Uzi's dad? What?
How do you know my daughter?
So, how do we... Can't her hands be guns?
Kick also.
Yeah.
The site is experiencing multiple KETER and EUCLID containment breaches. Full site lockdown initiated.
Part 2A. Check the perimeter.
Mr. Dorman, sir?
Bad crowd, those men.
We're detonating the Alpha warheads in T-minus 90 seconds. All personnel are advised to board the nearest helicopter or enter the
Человек.
Not sure what you mean.
Избавиться от вычислителя.
Alpha Warhead emergency detonation sequence engaged. The underground section of the facility will be detonated in T-minus 120 seconds.
It's been fun, and also that's sarcasm. Honestly, I'm starving.
We're detonating the Alpha.